Let's begin with the recipe for Cédric Grolet's XXL cookie pizza. I have the hazelnut praline version for you and it is simply delightful. We'll kick things off with the praline. Heat the water and sugar to 118 degrees, then incorporate the hazelnuts and almonds. Stir until a white coating appears around the nuts and fruits. Keep heating until this film dissolves and becomes caramel. Once it's fully melted and caramelized, transfer everything onto a baking mat and you let it cool completely until it hardens. When it's nice and hard, you will blend it. There, you will need a powerful mixer. I'll put the references below the video if you're interested. Mix until it becomes a smooth consistency. Let's proceed with the giant cookie. Mix the softened butter with both sugars together. Stir until the dough is fully homogeneous. Put in 1 egg. Stir again. Now add the flour, cornstarch and a little salt, baking powder and bicarbonate. If you like the recipe, I count on you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't hesitate to click the little bell to get all notifications. We'll be adding chocolate chips and some praline. I used less sugar than normal in my dough since we'll add many sweet toppings. To the top of our cookie, I tried to keep the sugar inside to a minimum. Now you'll spread the dough on a baking sheet lined with the parchment paper. To assist you, you can use a ring adjusted to the size of the dough. This will help you achieve a perfectly round cookie. Then, pop it in the oven. Next, we're going to prepare our Gianduja. For that, you'll roast hazelnuts by putting them in the oven. Then, blend them with an equal amount of powdered sugar. Mix well until you achieve a paste. And also add melted milk chocolate in the same quantity and the same amount. Blend it. We retrieve our cookie. I covered it with praline. I made lots of little discs of praline all over. Then do the same with the Gianduja we prepared earlier. I've wrapped up with the salted butter caramel. You can purchase it or prepare it yourself. If you prefer to make it yourself, I'll include the recipe in the little icon. And I'll also put it under the video in the description. And there you go, it's ready. Cut it into 8 pieces for a pizza effect. Like Cédric Grolet. And wow, it's incredibly tasty, so rich. See you for the next recipe. Bye!